General elections were held in the Bahamas on 16 September 2021 to elect all 38 members of the House of Assembly. Around 2 hours after the polls closed and results started to trickle in, Prime Minister Hubert Minnis conceded defeat after results showed his party Free National Movement losing several seats they previously held. Since 1997, every election has resulted in a change of government. On 17 September, Philip Davis of the Progressive Liberal Party was sworn in as Prime Minister. The Bahamas has been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Biometric cards are expected to be used. In January 2021, it was reported that the PLP was expecting an early election. The FNM is down 4 seats from their 2017 result. House Speaker Halson Moultrie, Reece Chipman, and Frederick McAlpine now sit and plan to contest re-election as independents, whilst Vaughn Miller defected to the PLP. Members of the House of Assembly are elected from single-member constituencies using first-past-the-post voting. The majority party then selects the Prime Minister, who is appointed by the Governor-General. On 3 February, the Progressive Liberal Party revealed their first 18 candidates. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.